How to lose weight with a low-carb diet. A low-carb diet is one that limits carbohydrates, primarily found in sugary foods, pasta, rice, and bread. Studies show that low-carb diets will result in weight loss and improved health markers. These diets have been in common use for decades and are recommended by many doctors. Best yet, there's usually no need to count calories or use special products. All you need to do is to eat whole foods that make for a complete, nutritious, and filling diet. Here are the basic low-carb food groups you can eat all you like of, until you're satisfied. Number 1. Any type of meat such as beef, pork, and poultry. Feel free to eat the fat on the meat as well as the skin on the chicken. Also, you may want to choose organic or grass-fed meats. Number 2. Fish and seafood. You may eat all kinds of fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Moreover, it has health benefits due to high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs, whether boiled, fried, scrambled, or omelets, are great. You may want to choose pasture-raised eggs, if possible. Number 4. Natural fats and high-fat sauces. Using butter and cream for cooking can make your low-carb foods taste better and can make you feel more satisfied. Try a Béarnaise or Hollandaise sauce. If purchased pre-made, check the ingredients for starches and vegetable oils. Better yet, make it yourself. Coconut fat or olive oil are also good options. Number 5. Vegetables that grow above ground. Such as cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, eggplant, olives, mushrooms, cucumber, avocado, onions, peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, and other kinds of leafy greens. These are lowest in net carbs and can be enjoyed at all levels of carb restriction. However, if you are following a keto diet, you may need to limit your portions for certain types, like bell peppers and Brussels sprouts. Number 6. Dairy products. You can choose full-fat options like real butter, cream, sour cream, yogurt, and high-fat cheeses, which can help you stay full and satisfied. Be careful with regular milk, reduced fat, and skim milk, as they contain a lot of milk sugar. Avoid flavored, sugary, and low-fat products. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts are great for a treat instead of popcorn, candy, or chips. Number 8. Berries. Berries are okay in moderation, if you do not need to be super strict with carbs. And those are the basic low-carb food groups you can eat to lose weight and live healthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos regarding loss weight. Or watch the next video in the description below.